Hi everybody, welcome to the home of Krybaby Performance, where we try and they cry. Today we're going to talk about quarter midget timing keys. Your UT3 comes with a straight key, but that's also at 25 degrees timing, advertised, even though they usually only work out to be 23 degrees. And in the rule, you're only allowed 20.5, so you have to cut your key down to get it to the exact timing that you need. Today we have this key chucked into our vise, and we're using a Bridgeport with an end mill to remove material. So we line the end mill up halfway in the key, and every 7 to 8 thousandths we take off is worth about 1 degree of timing. So that's how we're going to get the 2.5 that we need out of this key to get the timing exactly at 20.5. Now that we have our key clamped in the vise, we're going to measure over 0.112 inches, and that's about halfway, and then we can start going down from there. Now that we have our horizontal direction established, we're going to take our depth cut. Each cut we take is going to be about 8 thousandths on the dial. We are going to take several passes over this key, raising the deck height each time a few thousandths to get it exactly where we want it. Here's the cut slowed down in slow motion so you can see it actually cutting the material away from the key. Each pass takes off a little bit more material. We now take our finished key, install it in the crank, and apply our degree wheel to the engine. We will now check the timing at first 1200 RPM, and then we'll switch over to 2000 RPM to make sure we are not over the maximum of 20.5. It's nearly impossible to hold the drill at 2000 RPM, but we can see that we are not over 20.5. It is imperative that your timing is exactly 20.5. Thanks for watching from the home of Krybaby Performance, where we try and they cry.